In today's video, we're gonna see 5 tools to include in your stack as a SaaS founder. First of all, let's define what is a SaaS automation. Basically, we want to automate as much as possible without reducing the quality of our service or our product. So basically, why we want to automate things is that a lot of tasks are repetitive and boring, and when a human is performing such task, it can lead to error because we are not the best at doing repetitive tasks without reducing the quality of the work. That's why we want to automate such thing. So some automation will help us reduce churn, offer a better experience for our customer, and ultimately boost our revenue. So let's dive in with the first tool. First tool is going to be in the lead generation. Basically, we can build a system to collect data from our customer and prospect that will allow us to improve the nurturing process and to close deals faster. We have a tool called OGR that will help us track exactly those. So we're going to take a look at their website quickly. So as you can see here, you can start for free to see what the tool can do, and you have some resources here also if you want to go a little bit deeper about that, and you have plenty of resources for free online. So basically, as I said, this is really to gather as much information from our leads or clients to then be able to serve them better with more information. According to Pilot, 74% of potential clients switch to other solution if the onboarding process is complicated. That's why we want to use tool to onboard the process, to automate the onboarding process with interactive walkthrough to that's why we want to automate that process to mitigate that. You can also use onboarding checklists and in-app messages to serve as a guide to help new customers understand the product. So here we have the user palette website, and here too, this is more like an enterprise level, and that's why this is more like for medium to large businesses. As you can see, you cannot implement it on your own. You need to build book a demo call so you can do the onboarding and to implement that in your business. But as you can see on the website here, you can have in-app engagement, your project analysis. You can have user feedback also, and you can have session replay, which is really helpful because you're gonna see exactly how your customer behave, so you can see what they like the most, where they spend the most time, and so by that you can improve your product with the time. Three, we have customer segmentation and personalization. So customer segmentation is just an automation to group user based on some characteristic. This characteristic can be their age, their country, and the like. So a tool that can help you do that is called Google Analytics. So here in their website, as you can see, you can have access to a free course, and you can choose your path here and have a little bit more information um, on that. And so basically, you can have access to a lot of data again to really go deeper and to better understand your clients to ultimately improve your product again. The fourth tool is for project management, and for this we're gonna use something uh, like Asana. So Asana is a project and task, and Asana is a project and task management tool built for your team. So it really help organize your project and help your team organize their work so they can coordinate their task, and and also you can assign the good task to the good member. So let's take a look at their website. Like as you can see, it's something like that, and Asana is really popular in this instance, and you can also get started for free to help to see how it works and see if it's something that you uh, want to consider. Find tools is for communication. So here we're gonna use something like Slack. So Slack is a real-time messaging platform for team. SaaS businesses use it to centralize their communication, whether you're chatting with your dev team, your sales team, your marketing team, or you want to integrate tool like Asana, HubSpot, we saw for the project management, you can do that with a tool like Slack. So here is the home page, and it's very simple. You can create a new workspace, and Slack is really, if you use you probably use something like Discord, is basically the same. However, it's just that Slack is more for professional, whereas Discord is more for if you play a video game with your friend and something like that. So that was the five tools to to implement in your SaaS, and I hope you enjoy it, and I see you in the next one.